so this is a regularly scheduled mooring cruise, but what we're really excited about is we're adding a whole nother component to it, where we're doing a couple extra days that the Florida Institute of Oceanography has sponsored for us, so that we can go out and we can combine research and education and give undergraduates and graduates an opportunity to lead a research cruise and perform all the different components that go into that, from the planning, the sampling, and working up the data afterwards.
I am a diver in training, so I will be getting a few dives in the first 2 days, and then we'll go down to the dry Tortugas and I'll do a couple dives there too. I look forward to actually doing the dives. I'm a fairly new diver.
I do physical oceanography, which is a lot of satellite data, remote sensing, stuff like that. So you're working with data sets that are sensed from space. You don't really get to go see what's going on down there. And then when you do cruise data collection, you're in it. You're not just having someone send you some numbers. So you can really see, I guess, how that data comes into play from all perspectives.
Well, really, it's an opportunity that you're not going to find anywhere else, to get the opportunity to go out in the field and do what you're learning about in the classroom, and to be measuring things in the ocean from a biological, chemical, physical, and geological standpoint it's just absolutely an amazing opportunity for the students to be able to apply what they're learning in the classroom and actually get out there and do it.